Hi, my name is Gale. I've had a poor knee for the last few years, and there's been problems. I've been to many doctors and regular physicians and specialists, bone specialists, and the determination was that I would have to have a knee replacement surgery, and I really didn't want it. I came here and I hunted down Dr. Pearl. She's excellent, she's friendly, and she was a big help. I had my first procedure come for my 6 months follow-up, and there's been quite a difference. I am now down to a level 1, mostly, once in a while a little 2, but mostly level 1, and I can walk pretty well, and I'm so glad I had the procedure. And everyone is nice in the office, and them making me feel comfortable. My knee is now comfortable and I can walk.